So today we are going to be unboxing the Value vacuum pump. So this is the packet of it. It comes with an oil, and lastly the vacuum pump itself. So here is the manual, and here is a product catalog. So this machine has the following specification. This is the model number and the flow rate, the voltage, frequency, ultimate vacuum, the capacity, the oil capacity, and the serial number, and every other information you need. So this is the specification of the machine. So from this point here, this is where you put the oil. So this is where you put the oil, and this is the motor of the machine. This is where the motor is. So this is the motor of the vacuum pump, and the body is built with an aluminium material, so which also acts as a heat sink, so the machine doesn't get so hot while using it. On this other side, you can see the gauge and the indication for how filled your oil is. So when you put your oil from this point, you should always make sure that the oil is up to the max height. So it's not advisable that you allow it to get too low. You always stop and refill the oil. At this other side, this other end, you'll find the power button switch. So this is where you can either power it on or off. Also, it comes with a plug. This is where you plug to a socket on the wall, a wall socket, to power the machine. So this vacuum pump has a wide application. So in the lab, you can use this vacuum pump with your filtration system. So you can create like a vacuum so that your liquid can be extracted from a mixture of solid and the liquid. So when you are using your filter paper and the rest of them, so you can use this, with your filtration system. You can get this item and many other laboratory equipment and consumables from Simmyfranks West Africa Limited. You can check out our website. Send us a message on WhatsApp by clicking the link below. Thank you.